Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to play the dots game on iMessage. So let's get started. Open your iMessage conversation to start playing games with your friends. Ensure that your device and your friends have iMessage enabled and installed the GamePigeon app bundle. First, download the GamePigeon app from the App Store. To download, tap the plus button next to the message box, swipe down, and tap on Store. Search and download the GamePigeon app bundle. If already installed, then open or find the Game Pegion under the plus icon beside the message box. Tap on the More option and then select the GamePigeon app. You will see multiple games. Tap on the dots game and select the mode you want to play. You will see game mode options such as 101, 201, and 301. By default, it is 101. Hit the send button to send the game request to your friend. You can also tap on Customize to buy the fancy dots. Then tap the send button to send the game request to your friend. Your friend will get a notification message on iMessage. So, after accepting your game request conversation, the first turn to play the game will take the opponent. Here, you will get 3 tries to throw the dots at the dartboard. Tap on the dartboard to aim and swipe up to throw the dart. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner and select Settings to turn in game sound and music on or off. Keep playing until you reach 0 points and become the winner. That's it. Now let's see how to win the dots game on iMessage. Follow the tips. You can tilt your device to adjust the angle of your bow. You must hit the target with arrows and get more points than the other player. You can use the swap button. Move your finger and tilt your device to shoot. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.